So I'm Joris Borgdorf. I work at The Hive. It's a small to medium-sized company in Utrecht. For Radar AD, we enhanced a software platform called Radarbase to collect data from various data sources. In Radar AD, there was a question to really incorporate a lot of types of devices, so accelerometers, cameras, apps, and all of those we helped get into one central data platform, which is Radarbase, which the Hive co-developed. So Radarbase is an open source platform for remote clinical trials. It's open source, so that means that any company can use it, can modify it, and also extend it. So we see also in Radar AD, a lot of different parties came in. They all have their own device or their own app, and they use the data from those apps to do their own research. And then also, if you have a collaboration or a consortium like Radar AD, you can see that the different consortium members can really leverage the data from the different data partners and from the different data sources. And this is where something like Radarbase really helps. Because it's open source and it's not backed by a particular vendor, you can really use a very large range of data types and data sources. What we see in Radar AD is there's a difference from different vendors in how far they want to go in integrating their data sources. So, because there's so many data sources and so many vendors, there's also a large difference in their capabilities in extending their own software to accommodate Radarbase. So what we see here is that if we build in some flexibility in how they can submit their data, then really there's much more data sources available. So this is what we did during this project. Another learning is really making the platform more robust, more scalable, to allow data from all those data sources to come in, but also to let that infrastructure run very cleanly and with as few interruptions as possible. With Radarbase also come two apps. So we have an app for sensor data collection, which runs on your phone. And then there's also an app for providing questionnaires. So this comes with Radarbase without any modifications, so you can use that directly. The second thing is that also, as I said, there's a difference in expertise from research groups and from device vendors. The Hive is always available to make any extensions to the Radarbase platform that would be necessary if you wanted to extend your own version of the platform.